as I ended my speech, and I didn't mean to put any CEO on the spot or anything like that, but if we're really going to say we want to support our young leaders, then we need to be going to our young leaders and saying, hey, I think you would be fantastic at this. I'll support you in whatever you need, but give it an opportunity to really expand yourself and support yourself, because it's going to develop you to become one of our next top credit union executives as well. And whether you win or lose, it's irrelevant. It truly is. You look at Ronaldo going from basically runner-up last year to a CEO this year. I mean, to me, regardless whether I won this or not, I think it was providing me a great opportunity to expand myself. The educational opportunities that I get are fantastic, but I think we're all going to grow so much from having this experience, and that's just going to foster as we move into greater positions and greater responsibilities in our credit unions.